The plateau's important because it has areas that are unchanged for thousands and thousands of years. It acts as like a refuge in climate for cold-adapted species in Victoria. It's got the largest area of cool-temperate rainforest on mainland Australia. Logging around the national park affects the plants in the national park. The cooler forest that is around the park, as well as housing lots of big hollow trees and lots of species that use that forest for its own sake, it also acts as a buffer around this precious rainforest. To preserve it for the future, firstly you've got to stop the direct things, so you've got to stop logging around it. And then the indirect things that are extremely important is curtailing greenhouse emissions.